Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a Forex robot on your MT4. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head up to my favorite broker, which is SM, and then I'm going to go ahead and then open an MT4 account. I'm just going to head over to XM and then come over to open account, guys. So guys, I'm just going to head up to login because I have an account already. If I don't have an account already, I'll just go ahead and then create a new account. So I'll go ahead and then log in and then go ahead and then fill in my login details. So I'm automatically signed in because my login details is also signed in. I'm going to go ahead and then open an additional account and then go ahead and then choose an MT4 account because the Forex robot works very good with MT4. I'm going to choose MT4 and then I'm just going to come over to standard and then I'm going to come over to leverage. I'm going to leave this leverage the same, put my base currency as USD, and then investment amount I'm going to put $10,000, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on continue, guys. So guys, I'll go ahead and then put in the password I'm going to be using and then go ahead and then click on complete. So guys, I've successfully been able to open an XM demo account. So these are my login details to log into my MT4. So I want to show you something really quick. I'll go back to my SM and then come over to XM. Okay, I'm just going to click on this and then I'm going to go back to members login. Great, guys. Then I'm going to head up to login. Great, guys. So if I'm creating a Re account, I'll just come to Real and then open a Re account. If I want to open a demo account, I'll just come to demo and open a demo account. So that is the demo account I just opened. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use these details to connect this account to my MT4. So this is my MT4. I'm just going to open it. This MT4 APK, this MT4 will also be added to the folder. I'm going to open this and then go ahead and then put add new broker or put the broker name. So just going to use the XM global demo. I'm just going to copy this and then come over to my MT4 and then click on the plus sign and then paste this here and then hit enter, guys. Great, guys. So we have a list of some of these XM accounts. I'm just going to go ahead and then select the XM demo, guys, which is this, and then I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to go ahead and then put in my login details. I'm going to put existing trading account and then put in login and password. So I'm just going to head over to my Chrome and then copy this my login and then come to my MT4, paste it here and then come over here and then put my password. And then go ahead and click on finish, guys. So this should automatically logs me into my MT4, guys. So great, guys, I'm currently logged into my MT4. So looking at this, it shows that I have my MT4 logged in, so which is SM Global, and this is my account details. So I'll just go ahead and then close this. I'll go ahead and then close this I'll also close this and then close this finally. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then put GBP USD to this spot, because this Forex robot works really cool with GBP USD. Just going to go ahead and then put GBP USD. So guys, at this left corner, I'm just going to go ahead and then open this up and then locate GBP USD. Scroll down gently and then go ahead and then locate GBP USD. Going to scroll down. So guys, I found GBP USD. I'm going to go ahead and then drag here. So I have GBP USD charts here on the 1 hour time frame, which the bot is going to be working on. The bot will be working on the 1 hour time frame because it's a swing bot and also a scalping bot, so it works best on the 1 hour time frame. Please make sure you follow my instruction. This is where we have the H1 and then we have H4, which is 4 hours time frame, but this is the 1 hour time frame. The next thing I'm going to do is to head over to file and then go ahead and then click on open data folder. So I'm going to click on MQ4 and then I'm going to click on experts, and then this is where I'm pasting my bots. This is where I have my bots, Sniper EL Advanced bots. So I'm going to refresh these bots so that we can have the bot showing under experts. So I'm just going to refresh. So guys, great, we have the sniper robots which we have here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then double click on it and then click on OK guys. So I'm also going to double click again so that I can set up the robots the right way. Come to common and then leave it as long and short. So I just clicked on allow live trading. Going to click on input, and then under input I'm going to come over to this setting. So I'm going to be using a lot size of 0.02, which is what I'm going to be advising so that the bot won't blow your accounts. So I'm going to set take profit as 0.005, or let's say 0.003. Or okay, let's use 0.003, and then I'm going to be putting stop loss as 0.002 so that it's going to be minimize the stop loss I'm going to be risking on a trade. So pip step, I'm going to still leave it as 5.0. I'm going to scroll down mass trade, I'm going to change it to 3 so that the bot won't take more than 3 trade at once. If you leave it at 15, the bot can open up to 15 trade if he has the opportunity. I'm going to scroll down and then come over to lock profits. I'm going to leave it the same. Trailing stop, I'm also going to leave it the same. Magic, I'm going to leave all this the same, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on save guys. So I'm just going to save this as a template so that whenever I want to use it I can just import this. I'm going to put settings guys, and then I'm going to click on save. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I've successfully been able to set up the bots. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, if you notice here we have Prince Sniper EA bots. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on auto trading guys to start the bots. So I've successfully clicked on auto trading. I'm going to go to trades, and then here I have my balance and so on. So I'm just going to wait while the bot start taking trades for me. So right now the bot has been successfully installed and it has been imported, and we're just waiting for the bot to start taking trades for us guys. If you notice now it has opened a position already guys, because I switched it to the 1 hour M1, but this bot works best on the 1 hour time frame, and then it automatically, look, we already have profits minus 0.6 but minus 0.36. So it's best on the 1 hour time frame guys, or at least on the 30 minutes time frame, but I would advise you use the 1 hour time frame for this bot. So guys, this is basically how to set up the bot guys. So the only issue right now is that you have to be online for this bot to be able to take trades 247. And if you don't want to be online for this bot to be taking trades for you, you can just get a VPS. A VPS allows this bot to work 24/7 even while you are not online. It automatically plays trades for you even while you are sleeping, and then all you need to do is just wake up and then realize that you're a massive profit. So to get the VPS, you can just reach out to us and then we're going to send you guide on how to get a VPS. All you need to do is to log into your VPS and then install your MT4 on that your VPS Windows, and then follow the same steps, and then you're good to go, guys. So that is basically how to use the VPS, guys. The VPS login details will be sent to you. So guys, this is basically how to set up the advanced EA bots. If you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share, guys.